Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about a wonderful crystal called celesite. We're going to talk a little bit about its history, its formation, its healing properties, and an affirmation towards the end in order to use this crystal in combination with the affirmation in your meditation. And celesite has a really beautiful pale blue color, and it's very soothing to the nerves as well, because any crystal that's pale blue, it's soothing to the nerves, it's soothing to the emotions, and it really releases a healing soft energy. Celesite is a form of strontium sulfate, and it's a clear transparent mineral with a very pale blue color that has shades of blue gray, and it has also some gray white shades as well. It forms a large cluster with bladed crystals, and also there are smaller ones as well that grow inwards. The most abundant sources of celesite is usually found in the USA, surprisingly in New York, Michigan, and Ohio. And there are also specimens in and around Celesite, Madagascar, and Germany. And in terms of its historical uses, this wonderful crystal was highly valued among mineral collectors, and over the past few years it has become more prominent in new age shops because of its healing properties. In terms of its healing uses, what is this crystal used for? Well, the deep pale blue color, it represents the summer sky, it represents the peace, it represents the soothing energy as well. So it brings about expansion, open-heartedness, and also room to breathe. When you place it in a room, the celesite emits this healing energy of calm. It calms the energy, and it's also a wonderful focus to use as a tool in your meditations. Now, some healers see it as a stone that symbolizes sacred personal space. It's also used to enhance thyroid balance and also reduce stress, and the saying goes that if you place the celesite, a small tumbled piece of celesite, on the throat area, it's supposed to heal and aid self-expression as well. And it can also be used by healers to help in replenishing their energies, because usually healers and people working in therapy and counseling and psychology work a lot with other people, and especially if they're empaths, they tend to feel drained after the session, and this really helps to clear off the negative energy as well. And a wonderful affirmation that I love to use that I could have got online as I'm using celesite is, I love that I am always at peace and protected. I love how surrounded I am by the love of the... A wonderful affirmation that I love to use with celesite is from the crystalgarden.com, and it says, I notice and understand the messages from the angels. I receive messages every day in many ways. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, like, share, and subscribe. I would love to have